Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Dance Monkey by Tones and I. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D minor, B flat major, C major, and A minor. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. The next chord is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. And the last chord for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D minor for 8 beats, B flat major for 8 beats, C major for 8 beats, and A minor for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that string pattern now on the D minor chord. Down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's add that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Dance Monkey. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take my hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Oh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. And at the end of the song, you can just ring out on a D minor chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Dance Monkey. And that's You Play Dance Monkey by Tones and I. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.